Now let's get into why I believe that Microsoft has huge potential moving forward. Now, another thing that Microsoft has going for them is Microsoft Azure. What Azure is, it's an online supercomputer. So basically, if you have a very low powered computer that can't handle a lot of data, what you can do is you can use Azure, which is a cloud supercomputer, to do difficult tasks for you on a severely limited computer. It'll do all the heavy lifting and then give you back the information faster and cheaper than buying a traditional supercomputer. Azure is what we would like to call a software as a service system, meaning that you can use this software and pay for only what you use. So instead of you going out and buying a high power computer to do all that you need, video editing, photo editing, anything that takes up high amounts of energy, you can just use your normal computer on the Azure supercomputer cloud, pay for the amount of time that you use, and be finished with your project. This makes supercomputer type technology accessible to the consumer and also the retailer. Companies like Instagram can use Azure to put all of their photos and videos on. So whenever you load up Instagram, instead of Instagram servers trying to remember all the stuff that's on the feed, they can use Azure to be able to put all that information quickly and faster onto the platform so there's no delay. Another example is like Netflix. It can use that streaming software, and instead of you going on Netflix's servers to be able to launch that stuff, and with buffering times, it can be on the Azure network where it's already been buffered. It's already on that supercomputer cloud, meaning that you don't need to have a super fast computer or TV in order to stream live things. Azure has had a 30% growth since last year. So when I say that Microsoft has things under its belt that can skyrocket, this is what I mean. Based off of the articles that I've read and the research that I've done, this seems like a step forward into what the future of supercomputing looks like. It's going to be really interesting to see what Microsoft does and what other companies use that platform in order to use it for its business purposes.